Hello everybody, my name is Lida. Now I would like to explain about a function. I will to discuss about without a reverse function value and function without return value, and the end function with the parameter. Now I would like to explain the without reverse function value first. In the program C++, must have a function and the last one function is the function main. In C++, the program is a collection of the function. Both functions are defined directly in the program or function in the store in the file header. C++ have major function called function main. The main function of this program is always present in many C++ compiler, and we run the program through the command contained in these functions. The function is a subprogram that allows you to create programs that can be methodically will be more easily understood and can be used again, either for the program or for other programs that have the name process. In the programming language C++, the function can be divided into two, namely the user-defined function and a built-in function. User-defined function is a function defined itself, while the built-in function is ready-to-use function provided by the compiler. To better understand the function, note the picture that illustrates an existence of the function in a program. This is a illustration of a function. We include the main function and we make a function 1. We make a function 1 and call it to use in the main function, and function 2 and 3 like the same. We made a function 3, call the function 3 to use in function 1, and the function 1 call the function 2 to use, like that. Function without return value. C++ is not the procedural language, but because the procedure has no return value. To do this in the C++, it must create a function with a type void, which means it has not return value. The general from creation function without return value in C++ programming language can be seen the following example, like void main function, parameter, and statement. while the generate form of for function call that have previously been defined as follow: name, function, value, parameter. For example, to use a Fiji fungy play without return value can be seen in a sample program below. For manufacture or basic training function, create project with 9.1 more Wait, I would like to open the Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Express and then go to new project and choose Win32 and Win32 console application. Type the name of project like module 9-1 and OK. Next, we choose empty project and finish. And we go to source file, right click, add new item, and write the name of C++ function. Now I would like to write code, but I would like to copy it to run on the program. This is a main function that must have in the C++ when we write code in C++. But this is a function that we made by yourself. The function now we make the function and call the function used in the main function. So now I would like to run this code. Control F5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. File statement in the command prompt. Because the function you first read C equals 0 and C smaller than 5. Okay, we we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, mean 5. So C increase 1, it means C equals C plus 1. So if C equals 0, C smaller than 5, it means true condition. So this statement will print to the screen like this one statement. So C equal 1 and C smaller than 5. Okay, 1 smaller than 5 is true condition. This statement print to the screen again like that, and C equal to, so C 2 smaller than 5. Okay, print this statement to the screen like that until C equal 4 smaller than 5. Print the study utilize function, the last in the screen, and C equal 5. C not smaller than 5, so wrong condition. And then the main function call the function 1 to use and print it by command into the command prompt. Now I would like to explain the next section. Now we close solution, and I would like to explain the next section. Talking about a function with return value. In the construct to the function of type void, a function with the return value is useful to carry out a process that can return value. The function may be defined in the data type of the value to be returned. For example, data type name function parameter. This is a data type. This is a name function and parameter. And statement we write on the curly bracket of a function, and we use return value 1. As for the calling function, the same as before, there are many values that can be returned to a function, such as a function that returns the type of a function that returns a string and number type. For more about the function that return a string type, do the example program below. The program sorry, 9.2. Now I would like to copy code from this slice. Now I declare a function string is car and return the string. This is appreciative or logistic. This is a string, and the main function call the function string to use. And we run code to show the result. Control F5. Yes. This is appreciative or logistic. So the main function print this string to the command prompt. So like that, like this running, we make the function and call the function. We note the function have a parenthesis, not like that. If we don't use the program will be not so. Will be like that. So the function must be have parentheses. Okay. So we would like to explain the next section. Now I would like to explain run the example code about the function store number. Now I would like to copy this code. add a new item again. So I will be pass the code to it. So the first we declare a function belangen data type double. So function belangen is decimal type. So function return 3.4 in decimal. The main function call a function belangen to use will be print the command prompt like value that is it in the function equal 3.14. So I will run code. I will run code to confirm like that. Value that is in the function equal 3.14 like that. Source simple. Now I would like to explain the other system. A closed solution and next to the slice. We start within the function with parameter. In the previous model have been implemented that have not parameter, so that every time function call the result are always was nonetheless. Now it will be made a function with the parameter so that result can be dynamic. Of course, depend on the parameter value enters. The parameter contained in definition a function called normal function with as the parameter contained in the call when called with the actual parameter. The number and type of data between the normal parameter and actual parameter must match. Otherwise, the compile will displays an error message. There are three types of parameters that can be passed to the function in C++ program language. Then that is input parameter, output parameter, that is input parameter, output parameters, and parameter combination of input and output. Input parameters are used as input value in a function. That amount will then be processed by the function to generate a return value. So this is an example. Now I would like to copy code from this list to paste the program in the program. Now first click OK and name and the project finished. Save file, add new item. C++ file function import and pass it to the program. First, we declare a function in the data type int and parameter x, and we declare a variable result and give a result equal x plus 1. So return result. And the function main call declare a variable number and result, and we print the string to the command prompt to a statement, and input the value of number and give result equal parameter of number and print the value add to the command prompt. Now I would like to run the code. Like that. Oh, sorry, I will be run code again. Yes. Now what would you like to 12 value add 13. So because the result equal x plus 1, so we use the numbers, we include number and result of a function of number. So number to replace of x and plus 1. So like that. Now my explanation is finished. Now I would like to say goodbye. Thank you all us friends that listen my explain. Thank you. Goodbye.